This is How2Tim showing you how to operate the indoor 14-person jacuzzi. What we're going to want to do to get started is we're going to want to walk on up into the bar area, and there's a little device just underneath this counter over here. This is where you're going to want to go to turn on the heat and the filter. The filter and the heat have to be on in order for that hot tub to get hot. So it takes about 2 hours to get fully heated. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to set this probably to about 4 hours. That gives us 2 hours of heating and then 2 hours of use. We don't need to be overusing the pumps by setting it to 12 hours because the house is going to heat up. And you need to keep in mind, this is a not very well ventilated room if you don't open up the windows. So we ask that you open up at least 2 windows, if not more, because this room will get very hot and humid. So what we're going to want to do to get started is we're going to want to twist this dial all the way over to about right there, where the 4 is at. And then we have to press the filter, and you'll hear it get started. But if you don't press this filter button, the spa heat will not turn on. So from there, I'm going to show you how to operate the jets. So we're going to need to walk right back on over to where you could see these little black features down right by underneath the waterfall area. So from here, what we're going to need to do, to give you a little bit better of a camera angle there, is we're going to want to press, this is a little tricky to do from this position, we're going to want to press the bottom button. And as you can see, that'll get the jets started. So I just pressed the little bottom button there, and then if you want to get the bubbles started, you press the upper button right there, and that'll start the bubbles. And then if you press this button right here, that will get the big jet started. And there we go. There we go. We got our hot tub. And just to turn them off, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to hit the same buttons once again. So I'm going to hit these buttons. First the bubbles, then the high jets, and then the low jets. And that'll turn everything off. This is How2Tim showing you how to operate the jacuzzi. And one other little function I'll show you over here. This is how we turn on the waterfall for the jacuzzi. So there we go. We got our waterfall flowing into the hot tub. This is How2Tim showing you how to operate some of the fun features of this jacuzzi.